So one of the first add-ins that I want to talk about is this Dictate in Microsoft Office. And it's new, and it used to be an add-in, but somebody told me that it is going to be automatic in new versions of Word. So I have it here, and all you have to do is click the button Dictate and then start talking, and it'll automatically type for you. So let me just show you an example. This is an example of Dictate typing what I say on the paper, period. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? So that's my first add-in. My second one that I discovered that I thought was really neat is in PowerPoint. And it is the add-in I got from going to Insert and Office Add-ins, and it's called Pixton Comic Characters. And if I pull it up here, hopefully it'll show you some of the add-ins that I found. So there it is, the Pixton Comic Characters. I also installed Picket, Mentimeter, and Emoji Keyboard, but I'm going to talk about the Pixton Comic Character. So when you use the Pixton Comic Character, you can choose your character, and you can choose the outfit they wear and the pose. So here would be my title screen. How do I compare decimals? Because this is an upcoming standard that I'll be teaching in 4th grade. And then my next slide says, oh, it's all a matter of place value. And so I've chosen a different character. So I thought that was really cool, and I thought that my kids would like that. The next Okay, so the next add-in that I found that I thought was really cool is something called Night Eye. And as you can see on my screen here, it's dark because what it does is it changes the screen from being bright to the background as being dark. You can see it here in my Word, and you could see it here on the Microsoft My Office homepage. But when you look at the PowerPoint, I don't have the Night Eye on, and so it's bright. And so for those of us that are tired at night and we're working and our eyes hurt, it's easier on the eyes to use that. So that's called Night Eye. And once you install it, it is right here, and you click on it, oops, and you can change the brightness. You can have it be dark. You can have it apply to all of the pages or just a particular page. So for me, that's really helpful because my eyes get really tired at night.